This is Dr. Sudha from Government Science College. Today's lab topic is homomorphism of groups. So to begin with, let us see the definition of homomorphism of groups. For that we need two groups. Let G comma star and G dash comma dot be two groups. Then a mapping F from G to G dash is called a homomorphism if it preserves binary composition. That is, f of A star B is equal to f of A dot f of B for all AB belonging to G. So let us see some problems on homomorphism. Examine whether the mapping f from R star to R star defined by f of x is equal to 2 power x for all x belonging to R star is a homomorphism or not. Here R star is the set of all non-zero real numbers and the binary composition here is dot, that is usual multiplication. So let us consider f of x dot y, that is f of xy is equal to 2 to the power of xy. Call this expression 1. Now consider f of x into f of y. That gives you 2 to the power of x into 2 to the power of y by the definition of f of x. And that on simplification gives us 2 to the power of x plus y. But when we compare expression 1 and 2 here, we get f of xy is not equal to f of x into f of y. Therefore, f is not a homomorphism. Here, let us see what is the maxima program for this example. So the first line goes like this, that is kill all. Kill is the command which deletes user variables, functions, arrays, etc. and resets all the internal variables to their default states. So in the next line, let us put the command for the function f of x. F of x is equal to colon, both we need to use here, colon equals 2 cap x, that is the way we type 2 to the power of x. Left hand side, that is f of xy, that is f of x star y. Star is the command for multiplication, and on the right hand side, that is RHS, is f of x star f of y, that is once again f of x into f of y. If these two are equal, then we give the command, that is print command. The given mapping is a homomorphism, else the print command will be the given mapping is not a homomorphism. Now let us check using this code in Maxima window. Let us copy this, go to the Maxima window, paste it. So this will be the program now. So let us execute using Shift Enter. So this is what we get. See, your f of x is 2 to the power of x, and the left hand side is 2 to the power of xy, and the right hand side is 2 to the power of y plus x, and these two are not equal. Therefore, the given mapping is not a homomorphism. Now let us go to the next example. So in the next example we have, examine whether the mapping f from z to 2z defined by f of x is equal to 2x for all x belonging to z is a homomorphism or not. Here z is a group with respect to usual addition, and 2z is also a group with respect to usual addition. So let us check using the maxima code. Here it is 2 into x, therefore f of x is 2 star x. And the binary operations on both domain and codomain groups are addition. Therefore, left hand side will be f of x plus y, and the right hand side will be f of x plus f of y. Okay. So let us check whether this is a homomorphism or not using once again the maxima window. So let us go to the maxima window, paste it here. So this will be the code now. So let us check it out whether it is a homomorphism or not. So here you have the homomorphism output. So here f of x is equal to 2x. Left hand side is 2 into x plus y and right hand side is also 2 into x plus y. Therefore, the mapping is a homomorphism. Now you may see this one command here, that is the factor command, because here we need to simplify the right hand side. So we have given the factor command, because maxima by default doesn't evaluate its expressions, it only simplifies. Therefore, if we need extra simplification, that is, if this automated simplification is not sufficient, then we can use commands like factor, radcan, radsimp, etc. Here we have used factor. Suppose if you remove this factor here, so let us see what will be the output. So let us check the output here now. See, now the output looks like this. That is, left hand side is 2 into x plus y and right hand side is 2y plus 2x. To see, these two are one and the same. For maxima, these two are different because it is 2 into x plus y, whereas here 2y plus 2x. So it says that the output will be, it is not a homomorphism. For this reason, we need to give some simplification commands, that is built-in commands. So here we are using factor. So when we put factor and now execute now, see, now we get it is a homomorphism because here 2 is removed as a factor. So let us go to the next example. So in the next example, here you have f from r plus to r plus and it is f of x equal to 3x plus 1. So similar to the previous one, it was 2x, here it is 3x plus 1. In f of x part, you just change that to 3x plus 1. So you can execute by yourself. Now let us see one more example wherein you have trigonometric functions. So the mapping f is from r plus to c star comma dot. Here r plus is set of all real numbers with respect to usual addition and c star comma dot is the set of all non-zero complex numbers with respect to multiplication, and f is defined to be f of x is equal to cos x plus I sin x for all x belonging to R is a homomorphism or not. So here we need to check whether this is a homomorphism or not. So let us see the maxima program here, kill all, and the next line is, that is the given function, that is f of x. Here once again colon equals and cos of x is typed as cos, open the bracket, x, close the bracket, plus I is typed as percentage I into sin x, so star sin of x. Now once again the left hand side is f of x plus y. Here r is having addition as the binary operation, therefore plus, and in c star it is multiplication, therefore it is f of x star f of y. Okay, so let us copy this command and put it in the maxima window. So this will be the command over here. Once again, here left hand side is f of x plus y, right hand side is, we have given trigrat here to simplify the trigonometric functions. This trigrat will simplify the rational expression in trigonometric functions and it will give us the required output. Let us check it out by using shift and enter button. So this will be the output now, that is f of x is cos x plus I sin x and left hand side is I sin of x plus y plus cos of x plus y, and right hand side is also I sin of x plus y plus cos of x plus y, and the mapping is a homomorphism because we have given this trigrat. Suppose if we remove this trigrat here, if I remove that trigrat and then if I execute, see here this is cos x plus I sin x, cos y plus I sin y, both are not multiplied and they have been put as it is. Under that trigrat command, we can simplify and we can trigrat, if we give that command and then execute it. Now we can see that both left hand side and right hand side outputs are one and the same. Therefore, the given mapping is a homomorphism. Now let us move on to one more example here. So here we have a matrix format in a group G, that is in the form of 2 cross 2 matrices. The first row contains A0, second row 0, 0 for all A belonging to R star. Now we need to show that this mapping from R to G defined by f of A is equal to A0, 0, 0 for all A belonging to R star is a homomorphism. So here the definition of F is having the 2 cross 2 matrix. So here when we give the definition of f of x, once again colon equals, since it is a matrix, we need to give matrix, there is a built-in command. Open the ordinary bracket, put down the row entries in the square bracket, x comma 0 and 0 comma 0. Now the left hand side is f of x star y, because here the domain group is R star with respect to multiplication, therefore x star y. And on the codomain side we have G, which is the group which contains matrices. Therefore this star represents the matrix multiplication. So RHS is f of x dot f of y, because dot will be the matrix multiplication command. Now let us check whether this is a homomorphism or not. But we need to show that this is a homomorphism. So let us copy this and go to the Maxima window and paste it there. So we get the command like this. Okay. So now you look into this dot and this dot. Both are different. This is for multiplication, that is shift button which contains asterisk mark, and here it is f of x dot f of y, and this dot is nothing but the full stop button. Okay, now let us execute and see. So when we execute this, we are going to get both left hand side and right hand side output. So here f of x is x0, 0, 0. Left hand side gives us xy 0, 0, 0. Right hand side also, on multiplying two matrices we get xy 0, 0, 0. Therefore both are one and the same. The given mapping is a homomorphism. So hope everybody could follow the program for verifying whether the given mapping is a homomorphism or not. So thank you.